On the previous fuel pump repair, somebody was commenting on the video that it's missing the most important part, or it's invisible or something. I didn't really understood. So I'm fixing another pump and making a new video, and I hope this time everything is going to be visible. Let's begin, shall we? Much cleaner now. I can start my mission here. Good news, I'm ready. I have some tools now. New seal kit. Somebody has already left his mark on the pump. No biggie, all good. Dry. Maybe because it was leaking, it's so dry, no fuel inside. The seal needs to be changed. Extremely hard seal. Main reason why it was leaking. And these are in line. Here everything looks good. Great. I can see dust particles over there, so I must take it out and clean it. And yeah, in order to take this out, I need to remove this part. With the help of two magnets, I politely asked it out. aligned. It's different. You can't place it like this, and you need to place it this direction. This is in. Now the springs, and placing it back. There is a screen over there and a seal. I didn't clean it yet. I'm going to remove it now. Inspecting the screen, and it is all clean. As previously before, somehow this doesn't fit in here. So this is 81 kilowatt fuel pump, and I think this is from 66 kilowatt pump. So not going to change these. I have no idea from what is this. Some kind of leftovers as well. I don't want to add too much because when the bolts will press it, it might squeeze the sealant on the edge, and I don't want that. This might be some kind of spring attachment, but I'm not really sure do I need it. I'm going to leave it all original. Again, a little bit of sealant. A piece of my rubber glove fell in. The seal also requires changing. And it's much better. This requires extra attention and double check. It is in. Now I'm trying to place it on the same marks, to place the head on the same marks. This looks like has been changed, but we have a new one. Changing the seal as well. Pretty much finished here. Another thing, I have spare washers, so try and change it. It fell in Not as I wanted. Good. I'm going to leave these not tightened, as I'm going to move the head when I'm going to adjust the fuel quantity. And fuel pump is finished. Apparently Papa knows what he's doing. Thanks for watching and bye for now.